Hey everyone. So I was just making my raw carrot salad. It's a little bit later than I usually like to have it, but gotta get it in. And I thought I'd hop on here because a lot of you had questions about my posts for preparation of the raw carrot salad, and I thought I'd address them. So I usually use a potato peeler to create slivers, ribbons of carrots, and then I store the extra because I like to make huge batches of carrots at once if I'm not having my own, beet salad or jicama salad recipes, which are also really great options for the purpose of the carrot salad. But I will store the carrots in a jar with water and salt. I do not measure the salt. I just put it in there because once you peel away the outer layer of the carrot can start to degrade and it will defeat the purpose of the carrot salad. And the water is also a bonus because it keeps these slivers of carrots really crispy. So just in case you didn't know the purpose of the raw carrot salad, it's really to support gut health and hormone health. And they kind of go hand in hand. And so carrots themselves contain antimicrobial properties, and the fibers within them are really good at binding to estrogen in the body. So it really helps carry that out and prevents it from being reactivated. Check out my post on beta-glucuronidase if you want more information on that. And endotoxin as well. It binds to endotoxin, which can create inflammation. So the typical way to dress the raw carrot salad is to use white vinegar. I like to use apple cider vinegar because I prefer the taste. Also, coconut oil is part of the dressing or typical dressing of the raw carrot salad. And this is because coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides and lauric acid, which are both very antimicrobial. And so this can really help balance the microbiome in the gut, which then helps the hormone health that we have as well. Because if we have too much bacteria, too much fungus, too much overgrowth, dysbiosis, it can really create hormonal problems as well. And so the last ingredient is salt, and I like Crucial Four's Icelandic flake salt. Really great for supporting the adrenals too. We burn through salt when we're stressed, and so this is a really nice pick-me-up. And the fibers of the carrots will drive the vinegar and coconut oil deeper into the intestines as well, so we get more bang for our buck too. Oh, just in case you missed my stories last week with the recipe for the salad, let's do it again. So we have 2 medium carrots, peeled and then grated, spiraled, ribboned like I have done here. I don't really measure, so this is just from memory, but I do a splash of vinegar, about a tablespoon of coconut oil melted, and then a nice generous sprinkle of sea salt. And then you mix it all up and you eat it and then you enjoy. So hope that was helpful and answered a few of your questions, and hope you get to try this.